You're live and everything is connected. Is it? Still connecting to YouTube? Ah, that's crazy. Alright, so wait, there was something I wanted to do before I show you guys editing that to Alright. Okay. So today we're gonna work on some model stuff, go stage, and collider offset is also like tactile.
Stream
On
Discord.
On Discord as well, yes. Stop. I'm gonna stop screen. Alright, there.
Before we start off, are you live?
I am live on everything. I forgot that.
I can't say the word now.
Yeah.
Okay, anyways, so you sent me some stuff earlier today.
Oh yes.
Yeah. Is that actual code or pseudocode or what?
Oh, that was the real code shit, bro.
How can I see it?
Nah.
Well.
Pseudocode. Hello, penguin operator. Yeah, wait, would you wanna see the
Systems.
systems? There it is. So this is systems now.
Mm-hmm.
It looks
Wait up, I want to see the structure first of system here.
or context, I guess.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, right. Yeah, context. Okay, yeah.
But, yeah.
Yeah, okay. And then the function. Down here, yeah, update items and all this. Can you go into like an update teleporter maybe?
Like all of these are actually just things that were scattered around in different places now. I just made them all in the same namespace instead.
Okay, okay. Yeah, I see. The director. Yeah. Alright. I think it's cleaner, I guess.
Yeah. This thing is still a bit something I would like to move something about it. Because this one is kind of like it's for the start stage and then for the spawning of it.
At this.
Shut up. That stays.
No.
Yes,
Not good.
But in general, it is a major improvement on all of the stuff. And yeah, also, what I did work on was this thing. So I actually should ask Doombertle if he would like to try out it on Windows, because now there's a host a host button. So you can press host and it launches a separate, it forks, so it spawns a child process. And
Yo, that's crazy.
yeah, so if you start another client.
You mean, wait, are you calling like fork or STD process stuff? Yeah.
Process
Okay,
spawn.
good.
And I launched a server, so what the fuck? CD. There, okay. So if I start another client here, there should be two. There should be two. Let me do a refresh. I didn't get it. Okay, so actually not. Okay. It was. I swear to fucking God, this is bullshit. Is it because is it trying to do? Take a look here. It should have worked. Okay, I swear to God, it was just working before I started stream. Okay. It was.
Yeah, sure, buddy. Sure.
It was working. Okay,
I don't believe you.
Let me run the server again. And I will refresh here. Okay, that one pops up. And then if I start another client. Okay, that works. And if I press host. Oh, wait. I think I might know why I don't. Oh, it overrides it. Right, no. But that. Okay, I should look into that a little bit. But it's okay. This one should now join at least this one that is hosted from the client. So if I close this one, should. Yeah, this connection is lost now. I can't move. I can look around because the camera is local. But the servers died. Okay. That's funny. That is okay. But what we'll do is that I'm probably gonna ping Dune Wurtle real quick and ask if he can run the master branch and host. I'm gonna do it in here. Yeah. Let's see, where do we have? Where are the projects? There. At Dune. Could you try running the master branch on Bimbos? But yeah, that's now we're gonna fix these things. I first want the models and the stage. So I guess we need to kind of, whenever we increase the start stage, we would increase which stage we are on. I'm thinking it could probably live inside of world also, which stage you're on. This is like next entity ID. But let's rename it next. There will be next stage. Next stage. Alright. And then we're going here and so. And that is actually a bit funny now because it will be in start next stage. Well, I should really. And every time you get a start stage, I do have access to the world, so I can world that. Next stage plus 1. Is this actually work? I'm still thinking about this. I'm not quite sure how I should do it, but I think this is fine. And also I fixed the LSB, so it has better colors now. If the LSB works. And before we do that, we'll do as a stage 1 for first stage, I guess. Then we can store it on the client. So I'm thinking the HUD probably. But we need to store it somewhere convenient. I guess the world also here. We could store it in here and just call it stage. 32. And then it would be kind of, I think I have an event that says start stage, but we would also have to have a set stage. Well, every time we call start stage, we will just send set stage. Simple as that. Then it can never be wrong, and when a player gets connected, we'll get that request immediately. Anyways, so let's do this. And we'll go to. You have to go into the share app. Nets, and in here we have the events and reporter start new stage. Now this doesn't really new stage. Should we rename it to page? New stage number new stage. I think it can actually mean anything else. It's not that bad to send such a huge package anyway. It's a union anyways.
So, Lucas, what are we doing today?
I'm working on this thing. We're gonna show the stage in the UI. Then we're gonna add the rest of the models. And then I'm gonna fix the collider offset that I have for the portal.
Right.
I don't know how to do that yet, but I can look into the... What is this?
Just add like a half offset.
Yes, we're gonna do a half offset. Thank you, Harold, for being so clear about it.
Yes.
Alright, you can already see here that we want to... In here, you're gonna have to change it a little bit to...
Oh yeah, by the way, about the mouse capturing stuff you wanted?
Yeah?
Yeah, it's done. But... You have to upgrade the version of yes to like...
Wait, is it already there? What did you say?
Yeah, I added it.
Oh.
But you're gonna have to upgrade, yes, and there are some changes, not too many changes, and also, I don't know, man, yes is kind of falling apart, but ignore that.
Man, my whole application depends on a window, man, and do I have to switch to GLTF soon?
No, but honestly, like, the problem is that, you know, windowing is just so difficult because everyone does it in a completely different way. Like, it's not like opening a file, right? Because on Windows you get a handle, which is what an integer.
I don't care.
You know.
If it's difficult, I care about. Do I need to switch to something else in order to make it actually work, or are you gonna?
No, I mean it's going to work.
Okay, then it's going to work.
Yeah, I just don't like the architecture behind it, but
that's fine. That's fine.
It does work.
Good.
Sort of.
Good.
Not on X really, but who cares about X11? X11 is dead anyways.
New stage. I'm gonna have to do a. Why is this one not? This one should be complaining about that. This is not saying that it's all. I don't know why it seems to. It builds. That's bullshit. Well, I guess I'm not doing a capture, so it's fine. But we are gonna capture. New stage.
By the way, Lubas, currently I have the mouse motion event, as you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, and that tells like the X and the Y, right? But when you capture the thing on Wayland, it begins to send a new like mouse motion event, kind of that is just the delta instead, right? And currently I have that as like another event. Would you prefer that I just have the mouse motion event also contain the delta as well as XY? You know?
Wait, what do you? I'm not quite. Wait, can you say again? Like, was it?
Yeah. So currently, yeah, no, I get it. Like now, when you capture the mouse, then Wayland begins to send like a new event, which is not the X and the Y of the cursor, right? It's like the delta.
Yeah.
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 And currently I have that be sending like its own event called like relative mouse motion, which is, I don't know, whatever. But do you want me to maybe instead use a mouse motion that has X, Y, and delta X and delta Y? Then
Yeah.
the X and the Y is gonna be technically a bit false, but
Because the
it
thing
already
is,
kind of is.
I do right now. I just calculate the delta myself, but I just need. I don't know. Like I'm not quite sure either how to do this. Well, there's some more old explanation, but you know, I'm thinking that like a normal game, when you have a crosshair, the cursor is usually locked in the center, and then you just move.
Yeah.
I don't know how it really works. Does it just move it by delta and then it just puts it back to the center automatically, or what?
Well, this is the little part. I'm not sure exactly how it works on Windows because it's hidden and Microsoft, you know. But on Wayland, what you basically do is that you, first of all, lock the cursor so it can't move anymore, right?
Mhm.
And then it stops sending mouse motion events like the position of the mouse, right?
Yeah.
And then you have to basically create like a relative like box kind of. I'm not really, but yeah. And that basically does, now the cursor doesn't really exist anymore, so it's just gonna send the raw delta instead now. And because it's locked, it doesn't really send the mouse position anymore either. So the cursor doesn't exist, but it gives you the delta. And what I'm doing right now is I'm still sending the mouse motion event, but what I'm doing is getting the windows half width and height, and just doing plus the delta. So it is basically in the center, pretending to be at least, but I think it makes more sense to
Well,
say
I mean,
one.
we can try shit out. I think I kind of need to try it, to feel it, in a sense, because I'm not quite. Because I also don't really know how much is on your side and how much would be on my side of that to actually make.
Yeah, I don't know either because I've only tested my side and yeah.
Yeah. It's a little bit of trial and error trying to figure this shit out. But it's okay.
Yeah.
Oh, bro, stream was muted. Wait, am I muted or was it just okay? But yes, so Doomworld will try out the windows in a bit. Thank you very much. You muted it. Okay. But now we'll be sending the stage and we will receive it. So let's see. Run a client. Can actually put it here. Connect it. And then if I go to the HUD, we want the in-game one. Do I want it to be parented to anything? Not really, I just want it to be... I could let it be underneath the health bar? Or the health bar, this thing. I'm thinking like putting something in here. Doesn't really matter too much. We'll do it at the end though. We had the cross here, the stats, these are the stats, and then this is when you walk to the portal, and this is if there's a boss. You can add it here. UI, add, parent will be null, structure will do a size. Will I do a size? I don't want to do a size. I want a position. But actually I kind of want it to be... This makes sense to have that attached to the item bar. So I'm thinking if I move around, if I scale the window, it would move with... I think that could make a lot of sense. Yeah, let's do that. I closed the fucking app. I forgot that I do not have a menu, so I always press the escape. Or not always, because I'm kind of trying to transition to getting a menu, and I don't have one yet, and mentally I'm still thinking that I got one, but I don't. Let's see, I do the items here. No, these are the stats. Where's the items? Cross here. There the item. So I could do it as a child in here. Or do it right after? Well, I got the inventory here already. I kind of would like the items to overlap it, so we'll do it in here. So we'll add the parent will be inventory. Will it be the inventory? I think it will be the inventory. What does the parent have? It doesn't really have any alignment. I mean, I think I would like to do that. Access line, vertical. So now we will come underneath it, and then we will also add. I think this won't be a problem. Let's see. Yeah. No. Hold on. Children.
Did someone say children? Yo, where they at?
Oh my god, Harold.
Well,
I do already
I am
have
outside.
the... Ah, they're here. I think I could do this and it would be child anchor, Y, end, and X, end. Like so. And then let's just see that that shouldn't change anything. It should still render the same because it occupies the... And... oh, shit. Yeah, no, I don't want that. I think we need to change this slightly. Harold, stop diddling. Yeah, exactly, Harold, stop diddling.
Stop diddling?
Yeah, diddling
What?
around.
Yeah, okay, I will.
I mean, I guess I could create a parent for this, which would be the one containing the inventory, and then underneath it would have the... yeah, we can do that. Let's do that. So we'll do another one. UI, add, and this one will have null, and then we'll tell it to have a name. And I guess it's literally just the HUD. The structures or files called HUD, whatever. So that will contain the inventory, and then it will contain the size. By default should be full screen, so I don't provide anything there. And then axis line, that's the vertical. And then we'll child anchor X from end and dot Y from end. I think now I got this right. And missing fields, okay, I was lying, sorry, size. We can do percent. Height 1, width 1, so same. What the fuck just went happen? And then what we can do is add this. So the parent would be HUD. This shouldn't change shit, I hope. See hot reload. Okay, yeah, so it didn't change shit, good. So we add in... oh, what the fuck is my... Alright. Right, because it took it the end. Okay, no, wait, okay, not do that one. Hello, Anjo. How are you, my dear friend? Yeah, okay, now it's back. Like how your game is turning out. Keep it up, dude. Yeah, it's coming together, you know. Now we're just adding. We are gonna add
slowly but slowly
more models and do some offset because for the colliders, because right now this. This, I mean, it works, but I probably will do some more offset shits for later, so... I mean, one way... oh, or I could just change the model position. Maybe that's smarter. then trying to deal with the collider offset. I would just change the visual. The collider is always what the collider is. You would just have to change the model. Maybe that's smart. That's probably a lot smarter. It is probably. I don't know really, because okay, we'll think about it in a bit. Let's first just get this thing. So now I would like to add that one. First I want to do this one, then I want to add a child to this thing, which is gonna be odd size. Let's do percent one. I'll add a height. I don't. Shit. Okay, we can do this instead. Gonna do fixed. We're gonna give it a height of, what was the height of inventory? Oh, the inventory is percentile? What the fuck? That's fucked up. Wait, what? No. Inventory is size. Here it's. Oh, okay. Let's change it. I'm gonna change it. I'm gonna change to fixed because fixed is easier to deal with. And I'm gonna change this to be a. So now get a height. Inventory height, inventory width, and width there, and then we can change the height to be what? Inventory width, but we probably are not gonna use this for the height. The height I will tell is statically 40 pixels. Yeah, I think that's good. And then we'll quickly just save this one to see how that looks like. And what the fuck am I using if I'm not using this thing? Top. Yeah, no, well the top can be percentile, that's fine. But the height needs to be the height. Yeah, that's almost. Oh, it stretches. No. Okay. Let's also change the item to be fixed. So the height will be inventory height. What the fuck? Inventory height, and the width. Let's also do inventory height. So it will be 40 by 40 all the time. That's pretty small, but maybe it's a bit too small. Let's change it to 80. That's a bit too big. 60. And then we can do this thing. Yeah, that is fine. Now it will be funny. But that's a problem when we get to it. Now it's fine for now. Alright, so then we get the HUD. So I'm thinking I probably want to do so it's gonna come after vertically down below. And we're gonna make this one just the height the same as inventory height. Yep, we're gonna do that. And then the width Also equal to inventory width, sure, why not? Simple. And then we're gonna do... Oh, wait, who joined? Is it Doonvertel? Hello. He spawned the boss. Wait, you're missing it? You should be able to shoot on it. I can shoot it, wait. Oh yeah, you can also. I don't know, probably you were too close or something. The raycast didn't register it. Yeah, players don't take damage, so you can't really die, but we can probably make it. We can probably change that. Let's see, I'll update the world. Let's see, the flush. Oh wait, I want the gameplay. It's weird because I moved all of the things recently here. And then here, 4-player item. Oh, you disconnected? No! Okay. I was about to make you killable, but I guess not. I did it. Nice, nice. I'm recompiling. Alright. That's awesome. But you can also host your own thing, and like it works also. If I can try joining you, yeah, I could try joining you. Let me just make it. Don't know how. As long as we don't start a new stage, everything will be fine because that logic is not going to work. Okay, wait. Are you still here? Or is this is no wait. This is mine. This thing. Do you host one? Because the first one is mine. I know it's mine. That one is mine. What? My log is spammed with error spawn host server invalid stream directory. I'll fix it. Alright, okay. Thank you. I will continue on with the getting the stage. And I should probably do the teleporter charge at the same time because that one is a bit weird now. But it's okay. It made sense back in the days when, you know, I didn't have anything else but teleporter charge. But now we're gonna add what's it called? I don't remember what I was trying to do. Right, the stage. I kind of just want to give it a text, right? We're gonna give it the text of the stage, so we need the world, and we're gonna do a UI print, and then we're gonna just say stage, 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 and we're gonna give it this thing. It's gonna be a D. And then we're gonna provide what that D is, and that's going to be info. Do I have info? What do I have inside here? I do have info. The LSP is just not helping me at all. Great. Info.world.stage. And that's gonna be it. found expected. My bad. It's a bit different. We have size, but we're gonna be using data.
Data.
And color, we can probably let it be white for now. That should work. There it is, stage. But why the fuck? It should be added underneath. Nice. It should come vertically down below. If I add it to HUD. Because first I had this one. Wait, let me see. What is the size for this one? Yeah, it's an inventory size and it's from here. Right, that's an offset that I provide. So this one is actually read as if it was like this. But then it will make sense. Okay, so I kind of need to wrap that in another element if I want this to actually work, or I do something smarter. Boom. And now I'm pissed because fuck. Inventory with. Yes, I could probably think of something smarter here. But now I'm not really gonna care too much about it. I'm gonna do this, and that should be fine. Yeah, now I took the stage with it down there. And what we'll do is a UI add parent will be HUD. And we'll call this, we'll give it a size same, it will be the same information. Doombertle, who's talking again? What is the glorious news you have with you today?
Lizard.
So I'm adding another layout.
Lizard.
Yeah, it's that's fine. This is fine. Because what we'll do is this one. Like so. Fuck, shit, fuck, what the fuck? Is it in here I want it? No, it's in here. Yeah. I'm gonna provide this with a name and it's gonna be info. I'm gonna call it info. Simple, like that. Nothing too complicated, right? It's just called info. No news yet. It will appear in your DMs when ready. Alright, I'm keeping an eye on my DMs. So we call this one just simple as info, and we will provide. Yes. Then we'll do info here. So this one will be part of info. And this one will have its axis aligned horizontal. Yes, that makes sense. And then we can change this to be actually percent. Percent. We'll say height is 1 and width is 0.5. We'll show you reason why. So we'll add that, and now it will put stage hopefully there. Yes. Then what we'll do, because I do the teleporter charge, I'm thinking of putting a. I do the teleporter charge. Well, we could do either or is fine, I guess, until I find something that is just. Yeah. Well, whatever. Here, parent. UI. Damn it, info. Stupid, sorry guys. And then we'll change the size. Be percent. Height 1 and width 0.5. We gonna remove offset, and this should put it now to the right of this stage, you can actually be in the center, I just realized. It looks better. So let's start a new planet. Stage 2. Oh, it just works, that's right. And I start this thing, teleporter is 100%, the boss health bar is up there, I guess it's...
Okay, I now made so that every single like mouse motion event also sends the delta always, and when you capture it, it's gonna be like more precise, basically. Yeah, it's
Okay.
but that's just Wayland, so yeah. Whatever. The user doesn't need to know or care about that. So
Now we just need to make sure that also Dune Virtual can play on Bimbos.
he doesn't need to play.
We need Bimbos users.
We don't need those. Nah, but they should work on Windows. I don't know. It's very hard to test Windows because you never know what wine is fucking up.
That's true.
You know, you might want to upgrade this version.
Yeah, just a bit.
Yeah, and it's on a separate branch as well because it's so unstable. I mean, because it's so stable and good, you know. Yeah.
Better. Where's the portal? Where is the portal? There it is.
Hey, he's wall hacking. He's hacking, guys.
I'm
Wall
teleporting myself to a random position on the planet for debugging purposes. I should probably have a button that teleports me to the teleporter.
Button to teleport to the teleporter. Oh, yeah. Exactly.
yeah.
It's kind of like, you know, I actually have a car to drive to my garage where my car is. But that's my other car, you know. I don't have a garage, but that's fine.
Right. My thinking is that I probably would like to do that if... let's see here, we have boss help bar. It is actually an absolute position on top of everything else. So... probably... what if I change this in-game offset here? I changed it to be from the top. Instead of doing that, I would do inventory height. Or I would do 6. Because that one is not directly associated with that. So there should be a little bit of gap there. Yes. And then we also make this one statically. The boss health. So height and then offset from the top 20 to the left. Yeah, this is fine. So
Or do you have a guy inside of you? Also, if you just get free, if you jump now, and then no, just hold space for a moment, okay? And then look down, straight down, and then press S. You see?
what do you mean?
He's tweaking, bro. He's tweaking.
Yeah, he's getting us.
And if you hold like A or D, it's also scuffed. So you should like clamp it at like
Oh yeah, I see what
better
you mean.
value.
Yeah, but you're not supposed to be able to wait. Let me see, because it matters. Okay, yeah, this matters.
Yeah, it's really cooked. I know, man. So just clamp it. Like what are you clamping it to right now?
I think it's something 0. Oh wait, no, what am I clamping it to? I don't remember even.
You should probably fix it. I mean, it's really easy to fix it. It's just a number. So.
Yeah. I mean, I do have a clamp, but I think it's pretty much it's probably as close as you possibly could get with Oilers for it to work.
Well, what is it? What is
I
the
don't
clamp?
remember what I put it to. I have to go and look at it to see it.
You probably put it to like 89.9999999, and then it's like floating point error up to 90. And it's
I don't either used like something with epsilon, so it was like really fucking close to the small floating point you could have to it, or it's,
Okay.
I don't remember because I try to use epsilon always when I can, when it's
What?
something with small rounding errors.
Bro, just put it to 89.9, okay?
Probably should. But I wanna first get what I'm planning to do. You said rotation. Clamp. I will remember what I mean by that. But I wanna fix the stages first. I think the stages are fine, and the portal charge is also fine right now as it is.
Yeah, always at 100%. That's really good.
Yeah, it's quite instant. And so I can easily take the new stage. Let's see, where's the update teleporter here? I just plus 100 every time there's a charge. Like, you could do this, and that will hot reload, and let's kill the boss real quick. So now if I go to the new planet and start charging, it shouldn't be that fast. The teleporter, the world is huge apparently. How big was this generation? Wait, I can't see. It's a 98. Damn. The largest one is 100. Don't worry about that. But yeah, now if I start charging this thing, you see it goes up. And if you're more players, it will go faster.
Also, if you make the boss spawn like a bit away from the portal and not on the portal, maybe.
Yeah, that is on the to-do as soon as I do the planet upgrade.
When is the like entire codebase upgrade coming?
Oh, well, it's happening slowly when I find something that is obvious.
So, on the right here, where your code is that an obvious issue here?
Nah,
Just 8 layers of indentation?
yeah, but I think they are fine, they are quite clear.
I think this is the problem with this kind of UI, you know. I get the advantages, but the disadvantages, well, if statements everywhere.
Yeah, but it is how the UI will get created. I mean, I guess you could put them in more like functions, but I think you're writing more functions than you're writing logic.
Yeah, no, that's not a good solution. I don't know. UI is also just like a really shit thing, just in general.
Yeah, but I do feel like this is still better than most of the things that I ever used.
Yeah, probably because it's first of all not super duper complex, and it doesn't use a shit ton of memory either, you know.
Yeah.
Such good free cam. Now add airstrikes.
Airstrikes. Yeah, you can go out and just start bombarding this thing.
Yes.
Nah, but
We
this
need
camera
grass and trees.
Yes, but the camera is just client aware, like the server doesn't know about the shit that the camera is flying around right now.
Yo, Luber, I have a great idea.
Mhm.
So you're gonna fix the planet generation stuff, right?
Yeah.
Okay, hear me out. What if we made so you could, you know, like pass in a structure or like well, there's ways we won't get into technical because I think I might know something, but you know, so you could like easily add new ways of generating the planet, you know, so you would like the engine or whatever the game would pass in some stuff, right?
Mhm.
And then the code there easily has like generation, so you can
Like the planet gen is
yeah, I don't know.
this thing right here. This is for video that I'm gonna do a quick thing, so don't mind that.
yeah, I mean, if this function here called like something else so that it would be easy for you to just like add your own like kind of planet, right?
Yeah,
So you would make a new
it's
kind
supposed to
of-
be right now. It takes in the radius of the planet size, right? It's supposed to be actually just a seed that you will be providing. So it will be like a Minecraft generation where there could be biomes or whatnot, you know.
Yeah.
Or some seed could be like, or the whole planet could be a specific biome also, you know, that you could become, you could spawn on a swamp planet or I don't know, moon or gas giant would
Yeah,
make much sense, I guess.
The gas giant is.
Imagine like
No,
you could,
but I get
you could
that.
spawn on one, and if you don't have like the ability to fly in your character, you just die immediately.
Wow, that's a really great idea.
You're just fucked. I don't know what to tell you, bro.
But you know, it would be funny if you could like pass in like a thing, you know, that is easily. This is make it like modular, right? So that you could just make your own new biome, and it's just easy, you know. You can like determine some settings, and you have some functions that generate stuff.
Yeah, but that's basically
You know, so it's
going
easy to
towards modding now.
Well, no, it's just because we want a lot of biomes now, do we? Right?
No. First of all, I just want one planet that's okay.
Bah.
But I mean, if you want to look into it, you could. I mean, the generation in the only thing that is kind of like required is this thing. For what I will do, the node map, where it has like every vertex here, or every vertex is called a centroid, and it's part of a cell which has a absolute x and y and z position. So x, y, and z. So this one could, for example, be x1 and then y2 and then z3, you know? That's the cell position from here. And then it has a centroid where the SDF hits 0 on the surface, basically. That's just all I need, because then I can derive where an entity is on this planet by rounding down its position to the closest integer value, and then I could find that from this auto array hash map. I just provide in that, and I will get the centroid position of that.
By the way, so basically it's a grid of voxels.
Basically, it is, yes.
Okay, but that sounds very annoying to generate.
No. It isn't. It's really easy. Well, I'm making a whole video about it. That's gonna be my next video about how. Well, I'm not gonna go into the multi-threading part and how this shit works over here. I think that could be a separate video, but just about how you generate a surface net planet using SDF.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But I'm gonna like you make a little code snippet here, and then I'll send it to you. I'm just thinking that it would be like a cool thing, you know, and it wouldn't even be too hard to implement, I don't think.
There's a lot of things that are a cool thing, you know.
Yes, but this is really cool.
Ah, well then that changes things.
Yeah, I know.
Let me see, I'm gonna change one thing I just realized here, which is a bit confusing sometimes, is that add, so if portal, if so portal.
Are we going to have fog?
Fog? Oh!
Yeah.
I don't know, I haven't run into a case where that feels like it would be necessary or anything like that.
Okay, well my example is just gonna have it for this showcase, I
Okay,
guess.
wait, teleporter charge. If and 0. I think I got this logic a bit wrong. Why am I asking? Because then I want to activate the teleporter, right? I'm thinking if I should change this a little bit so it would also say... I will change this to be if there is no. No, wait. This has double. It's two purposes. So actually, this will also say E right now.
By the way, what would you call a tree, or like what is a common name of a tree or any kind of like object that can be placed on the surface, you know?
I would call it probably like something like property. Props. Props.
Props. Yeah, props, okay.
Rocks and these.
Yeah.
I mean, props is, or decoration I think is also something. Yeah, decoration is actually what Minecraft uses, I think, for their term.
Maybe.
Decoration probably would be a better naming. The only thing with decoration is also have to be considerate about making colliders for them. They have multiple,
yeah.
They have features, decorations, and structures. Yeah, structures, that's true as well. What are features? What are features? I don't know about those. I haven't heard.
Terrain features, but I think decorations is. I mean, it worked for now, right? It's hypothetical. This is what I'm making, anyways. Here, so
Features
yeah.
are things like lava pools. Yeah, we do not have those.
But maybe in the future, you know, like what if?
What if we had a? That's not yet.
Maybe I should call them features, actually.
Yeah, not yet. Please, pool.
Pool.
Nah.
Well,
Let's see. We're gonna do the item models. I would like now to do for the not piss pools. Oh, piss pools, not please pools. Okay, my bad. I didn't pay attention.
okay, Lubas. Look at the thing I sent you, bro. This here. It's not even hard to implement, right? And it will be so nice. And then everyone can just make their own little biome.
Biome, ground
Easy
color,
peasy.
fog, features.
Yeah, this is just like a concept, you know.
Yeah, so you would just have, but somehow you still need to. Yeah, I guess you could do simple as that, like just biomes. But I think the whole planet would at the beginning be considered a biome.
Yeah, I mean, sure. Like, I'm not saying that we should have multiple biomes per planet, right? Whatever, I don't really care about that. But like, this would just be nice, right? Because then it's very easy to add more biomes.
Wait, health speed. I think I do oxygen tank, and then I do the red full energy drink, and then what should I do for damage and attack speed? Pickaxe for attack speed. What do you think about that? I think that sounds pretty freaking fire.
Well, shouldn't it be like a hand that is moving really fast?
Pickaxe, fuck you.
Okay.
I don't even know how to make a pickaxe, guys. This is gonna be awful. It's okay. This is a pickaxe, by the way, guys. So yeah, I don't even have the mirror. I should probably do the mirror. I'll do the mirror. How the fuck do I
Okay, Lubas, I sent you a little example here.
make a PR?
Lubber, look this is.
Wait, let me cook here, bro.
Nuh-uh.
How do I
I
get
think a
it?
pickaxe is stupid. Like, what are we, mining?
Yeah.
A foot! We gotta get a feet in, a foot in, yes. Gotta get them foot fetish people here.
Yes.
Yeah, we're gonna increase our audience by
100%.
well, yeah,
As
basically.
minimum. Okay, now I got this.
You got this.
I got this. Shit.
Oh, is this a pickaxe? This looks like shit. This ain't a pickaxe. Bro, what did I even hire you for?
Candy.
Ah, terrible pickaxe. Candy? Where?
I don't know, man.
Watching Lucas model.
Nah, don't do me too judgeful. Come on, man. I got this.
Yeah, I can see that. Bro, why don't you use
How do I
mirror
move
it?
in?
Mirror it, bro.
I already did
You wanna have to
mirror it.
make one. Oh, you did? Oh, okay.
Ah,
I
well,
removed the camera and light, bro. Are you a noob or something?
Why would I remove the
Damn.
camera and light?
Because you don't need them. And every single professional always removes the cube and then adds their own cube that is way better.
Oh, I already had my own cube.
Okay, well, remove the camera and light.
Nah. Oh wait, that's the center.
Really?
Don't worry, I got this. Look at this. Boom. Nobody will know. Nobody will know. Boom. I'm so freaking good, guys. That's a pickaxe. Fuck. Alright. Now we can do a... And can I ignore the... what the fuck is going on? Oh, that's actually a pretty cool idea. Yeah, that's a pickaxe. I wouldn't say it's too bad, you know. It's all right, you know. That's a pickaxe. 100% a pickaxe. Not gonna lie. Maybe even 20%. Let's see, we're gonna store it in...
Wait, can I see the pickaxe?
There. Oh my god. We're gonna call this one... X. Just a bully right here.
Yes. I don't know whether to be sad or just kill myself.
Do both.
Okay.
I'm gonna make another collection. Put this one out here. I'm gonna remove that one, and then this one I will apply this shit onto like so. And then we can go to UV editing. We'll select this thing, we'll open this over here, we'll go here, okay. We'll add a layer. What the fuck? What the fuck? I thought this would be easy. Why can't I unselect shit? Ah, nailed it. Yeah, easy. Okay. How the fuck do I paint on this shit now? How do I get brown color? It's like here somewhere. Yeah, that's pretty good. Oh wait, I can do fill. Okay. But that's not what I pressed on. Let's just do this. Boom. And then we go back to edit mode. Apparently it didn't give a shit about what I was trying to do, but that's okay. Perfect. Yeah. So fucking good. Damn. And then I can go back to this. No, I cannot. Why the fuck did it select the whole thing? Shouldn't do that. Why are they so tiny? Yeah, sure, why not? I think we'll go with that. And then we'll go back into here. Like so. And then back here. So is now if I go to texture. Why is it selecting still the whole thing? I don't even have the whole thing selected. Oh wait, later. Oh wait, is it? Am I doing this wrong? Why? I swear to God, because I got this selected, why would it do that? Stupid bullshit. Okay, I'm gonna do a new layer. And then I do fill. That works. And it still does it. I don't get it. This is dumb. This is dumb. Where's Damon when you need it? Hmm? Hi. Is Damon online? Let's see if he joins. Well, if he doesn't, I will just do this.
What?
Oh, you are. How do I...
Damon.
Hello, Damon. How did I
Yeah.
paint only this part again?
Oh, go to texture mode. All right, right beside where you change texture mode, there's a little square you gotta click. It doesn't say anything. It's just a square, man.
Right. Thanks.
Right.
Yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks. That's probably good. Okay, let's see. Alright, so we got that. Let's export it. Oh, you. This guy.
What?
Can export it there, and then I'm also gonna export it to the actual. Oh my god. Client, assets, objects, and pickaxe. There. Then we can go to models. And here we have the attack speed, which is just XP GLV. Call it now. Pickaxe. No, pickaxe is actually one word. Now it's like pickaxe. Okay, yeah, it's one word. Can I delete this one? Oh wait, if I delete it then... Yeah, smart. Save that. Better. Now we got it at least like that. And that will be the attack speed. It should at least... Yeah. Should be able to run that and see it. Oh, okay. Should just give myself the ability. Ah, there it is. I got it. It's a bit funny though. I don't think it got how it was supposed to look like. What the fuck just happened? Did I not do it properly? Maybe have them aligned to the surface like both, so maybe I should, yeah. Is there a reason why you don't capture the mouse cursor in the game window? Yeah, hello TD Peppa. We are, is Peppa? Or, yeah, we are kind of like transitioning to that right now. Harold is implementing that to the window manager. What is it called? Window, oh it's not his Stefan. But yeah, so he's implementing the feature to be able to do that right now. I haven't been doing it for a while because I found it more annoying when I went back and forth for editing, but right now the game is actually coming to a stage where it will be useful. You already edited on Windows because it's so annoying. What the fuck? You should talk with Harold so he could probably look into it as well. I mean, it should look like this. I don't get it. What am I doing wrong here? Take two channels. I'm gonna do that. Okay. I don't know. And let's see. Remove that. Could be that. And let's export. It should hot reload also. So it shouldn't look. I don't know why it's so weird. So I go in here, export it. We override it. Oh, but I exported wrong, didn't I? Yeah, the wrong one. It's this one. Yeah, it did load it, but there's no changes. Why is the texture so fucked on it? Inactive. I swear to God, this is bullshit. Why is it loading just one of them though? Okay, I need Damon again. Let's do a new one again. Load it in image. Okay. Assign it to this one. Now I got 2 of them. That's great. Don't worry about it. It's okay. We can fuck up. It's not that big. It's not that big of a deal.
Yo.
How did I?
I'm trying to eat, man.
Sorry, man. I can't get this stupid texture right. Like I got it for only like one part of the thing, and
okay. All right, so just press the cog.
This one?
No.
This one.
Yeah. And then bake. Okay. Sure, whatever.
Yes.
Ooh, using CPU. Ooh.
Oh.
Anyways, now, click that thing, the thing beside the first cogwheel, like the second one, or no, the second one. Underneath that. All right, yeah, click that one. All right, and now go to the top. Okay, now then remove.
Okay, that was it.
All right. Now go to shading.
Shading. Wait. What was shading?
Yeah, a little bit over. You were close.
Ah, there it is.
Yeah, shading. All right. Well, you got 3 versions of it. So you gotta save the textures somewhere for one. Save it in your files somewhere.
It's good.
I don't know if it's then just export it.
All right. So shading is the place where I can confirm that I did the right thing.
I don't know. Maybe.
Okay. Okay, but that then it should be fine now.
I don't know. Are you hot reloading textures or what?
Yeah, I am. I should be. It should be doing it, but it seems like it's not. Well, let's see. It should be hot reloading them, but
You gotta find that axe. Where is it?
oh yeah, it's still fucked.
What's wrong with it?
I don't know what's wrong with it. It only has one material.
I don't know. Extract.
Extract?
I'm telling you, save the materials. Save the texture, man. I'm telling you.
How do I save that thing?
Go back to shading, or no, it's on the left viewport there where it says
Yeah.
image. It's got an asterisk.
Yeah. Ah.
Save.
Pickaxe GB.
All right, now try exporting it.
I just need to load it first. That, right?
I don't know. I think, or maybe no.
Open image.
You're
Open.
You're tripping.
It's still having this shit here. I don't know, man. Nah, still nothing. Load GLP files on Lune.
Try not to overwrite it, delete it, and then save it.
Yeah, but I guess I could do that as well. But then I wonder what will happen on a hot reload then. Wait, where did I save it? It is in the right file. Just need to confirm that I did it actually in the right place, because otherwise that could have been. Wait, objects, pickaxe, GLB. Well, it looks alright.
It looks
here,
fine
so
to me. That's what I'm saying. Delete it out of your source files and then resave it.
I'm actually just loading it wrong. I have to be loading it wrong.
I don't know. I'm gonna go back to eating and watching my show.
Yeah, do that, do that. I deleted it. Wait, what the fuck? Who is hosting here now? Oh, you are hosting. Damn. Okay, I joined your apparently. Because this is staged. Nah, it's still wrong. How? Or is it just... Is it... It could also be... No, it loads correctly online. Why would it be incorrect here? I do every other texture completely right. But that one is fucked for some reason. That's so strange. Like, even this complex mess is fine. What the fuck? But then that thing just breaks. I'm not quite sure. Why would that happen? It's like... It's super weird. That doesn't add up at all. Why would that happen? It shouldn't happen, because if I think still somehow cached somewhere somehow, but I don't know how. Because that's so strange.
Yo.
Yo.
Okay.
Hmm?
Do this. Completely shut off your game. Shut it off. Shut it off.
I did it. I did
No,
it.
no, I can still see it on your screen there.
All
Okay,
right.
it's closed. All right, now go into your folder.
Mm-hmm.
Go into the asset right there. Pickaxe. Where is it? Delete it. Just fucking yeet. Gone.
Yeah, I did that.
Okay, now go to Blender.
Mm-hmm.
All right, now go to File. Let's do external data. Oh, whoa.
External
data. External data.
Oh, there it is.
And then let's just pack resources.
Damn.
Fuck it. All right, now export that bitch.
Failed to open file browser.
Oh, well, good job.
Oh, thanks. Okay, there we go. Okay.
Probably your export settings too, be honest. So you like
But
probably have like you have your export settings like all smushed to the side, man. There's probably a setting that says override texture, because it comes based with it, and you probably just don't have it ticked or something like that. So it's like it's not updating the fucking texture or something stupid.
nah, it's still there. What if I just export it as a different name?
Wait a minute.
Well, I think it is probably my render, because I don't know, it's fine
Press
here.
N.
The only way it could be if it's cached somehow. N?
I don't know. I'm going back to food. So that's all I gotta say.
Okay, thanks. Wait. If I got the U is inverted, but then a lot of other things would also be fucked. But I wouldn't add up. I'll try to export as a different name and see what it does. pickaxe too. Nah, it's also fucked. What the hell? Yeah, it's like half thing is right, but oh, I see. Is this one being part of the exported thing? Because if it is, wait, I think I could do this now. Yeah, okay, that was the problem. I was wanting to save it so I could modify it later, but fuck it, we're doing this now. Ah, so funny, so funny, so funny, so funny. I love that. Yeah, it's great. Now we can also do I think I have. Need to save that, and I need to open recent. What do item icon perspective save? And we'll add the, let's see, pickaxe one. Add this one in here. If I do this, yes. And we'll do that. And if I go to the camera, oh, holy shit, it's huge as fuck. Scale. Perfect. And we will, well, that. Gonna start Affinity real quick. And it's taking a while. Okay. There. And we are gonna we can move this thing away, and I will do an image. Copy. Wow. And let's put our player. Affinity is making this shit laggy as fuck. I hate Affinity. No, it's good, it's good. Can I find the pickaxe item? There it is. It's huge. Yeah, there it is. So, we picked up that. So if I go in here, paste this in here, move it there, we remove that, and center it somewhere over there, save that, then we'll export it, yeah. Ask for location, favorites, textures, and we want to replace the attack speed item, whichever the fuck that is. Right, I just call it actually damage item. Well, we can replace it. Save that. Yes. Boom. There it is. Pickaxe. What are you flying up there for? What? Should I maybe do an outline on it? A little bit of an outline. It's funny. I don't know if you know the buttons for spawning enemies. But that, you don't even take damage right now, so it's you're immune anyway, so it doesn't really matter. But I'm stealing them and sacrificing them to the D. Oh no! Where did you go? You're standing on top of it? Oh, I killed it. Oh, I took the item. No! I think I would still put an outline on the pickaxe or something. Still need to work so that these ones, because this one is a melee and they can't reach you because, well, I don't have any advanced algorithm for it. What is this? What? Affinity is messing with me, I'm telling you guys. Last time I closed Affinity, my whole computer just crashed. I was like, alright, let's go. What I wanted to do was to go into the physics. And what we can do is the funny thing that we can always do with everything and anything. Come up. Not up. There it is. Oh wait, but it's ah. Did it stop rendering? Oh shit. Oh, it's Affinity. Let me kill it real quick. Okay, now. Let's go to the next stage, bro. Where's the portal? Should probably like highlight it maybe if it ever gets should I make it so that we can die actually? There the portal is. I gotta make it so we can actually die. Where's the find that gameplay. Alright, it's not called enemy manager anymore. So we go here. Where do I iterate? It's in the portal actually where I do the teleporter, shortfalls. I will do here for every player dot flags invincible equals false. So we will not be invincible anymore, we will actually take damage. We just need to find a portal to trigger that effect. I mean, we could do it somewhere else, but let's just do it here now. Yeah, so we should be able to take damage. Okay. Oh, you spawn a new planet. Oh, you're too strong. You're too strong for this shit, bro. Can you try if you can take damage? Can you take damage? Did you take damage? I have no idea if you took damage. Because they're just attacking the first. I wish they were attacking me. They should probably do a search to see who's closest and target that player. Let me do that real quick. Let's see. We do have the enemy update over here. And then it's just player land, player. So we'll do a the player is equal to a for loop of all the info world players, and then we get the, it's actually player ID, player underscore ID. And well, I guess, and then I could do a const closest F32 equals to std mat to max float max, wow, 32. And then if we're probably gonna get world get pointer player. Let's not do that. We just do a normal for the player is const player is equal to info world get pointer player ID else continue. So we get the player there and we'll put closest there. Will not be a const, we have var. And then if player wants distance is equal to player and set vec length distance, my bad. Distance of player transform position. And we want to compare it with the entity that we're iterating. That's great. Then I have to do it for every single one. I need it to be persistent. I do need it persistent. Alright, so got it from there, and then once we get the actual body ID and collider to distance to player. Yeah, well, basically here I am doing this thing anyways, so I will just do it so that we get for accurately for every single one. You can do that pre-optimization over there to just make sure that if there's no players, there's no point in doing anything over here. But if there is, for every entity or enemy, not entity, we'll get the player, all of the players, and then we'll check the distance to player. That's one way of doing it. And we do this. Now we got the enemy dot transform position. So we got the distance, and if distance is less than closest, and closest equal to distance. Boom. Sure. Should I also store this? Should I maybe make a find closest player function helper kind of thing? Maybe it would even be useful. And we'll say we'll take player out here, we'll call it war player could be a pointer and share system entity equals undefined. Send you something in DMs. I'm still okay. Great. Wait, just a sec. Actually, but could I get this order to provide me the information that I need? I could make a block, or just let it be undefined. Well, now we should at least have a player, so it shouldn't really be a problem at any point. And then player is equal to why can it not just give? I'm just gonna call it do this current player, like so, and then current player, like so. So we have the max, and if the max distance is less than closest, it's that, and then that. And then we can get that. Sure, that's fine. And then array is not indexable. We should make it probably just a pure array, so we don't really need it to be an array list. Okay, so now then enemy should target the if it built. It did. And it hot reloaded. So they should target me now. Yeah. If you are not connected, I should take damage. If they could hit me, it would be great. They do. Great. What is that rotation? Woohoo! Should probably make some kind of. I should learn how to make a outline, a stroke or something like that on the box. Yeah, I don't even have a way to regen, I just realized. Are you still here somewhere? No, you're not. I don't see. Yeah. That's crazy. I mean, I could probably cache the location, so I could just do a calculation. I don't know if I need to do that though. That's probably premature optimization. Okay, but let's see what he sent. He sent me that. Yo, what the fuck did you do? You made a pause menu? What the? Wait, what the? What did you add? Oh my god, what? No way you made that actually work. Bro, wait. That's crazy. Wait, did you make a PR on that already? Guy has been stylizing the UI. What the fuck? No, you didn't make a PR. Okay. I was like, whoa. Wait, are you still in here? I was so done with the existing. Bro, but I changed it already a little bit. Not yet. Is it okay if I push what I have done already? I have done a few changes already for the game UI, but I added also a little bit of stuff to the... So you see the stage here, I moved the teleporter charge over to there. The stage is a new thing, which is the packet got changed how stages are handled when a new stage starts. But I'll remerge that in. Yeah. But it's. Do you wanna resolve the merge conflicts, or should I do it? That's what I'm wondering, basically. What are you thinking? Well, got to go gym now. Bye bye. Wait. Are you gonna? Do I just wait for you to make a PR tomorrow or something like? You know, that looks freaking sick. What you did. I just. I just need to know, bro. I just need to know. I will also do another thing while I'm at it here right now. But okay, you just gonna leave me here? Are you just gonna do that? Delete. Now, how do I copy? Copy to, and I will call it pickaxe. There. That's a pressure sheet right there. And I will, well, it will be the same thing, but we can now go to the UI, and in here I'm gonna change this thing. So I do have the font as damage item, cross here, oxygen tank, energy drink. Now I'm gonna say, I should probably, yeah, this is gonna be pickaxe, like so. Then pickaxe is gonna get in here. Pickaxe. Just pickaxe. G. And we should still. I think it needs to be added into the. Well, this. It's a build. I think it will. I should have made it so it complains. No, it doesn't. Okay, wait, hold on. I don't think. Is that. Do we actually have it that it handles it from there? Hold on. Yeah, resources takes the paths. Okay, now I'm fine. Then we can just Zig build run, and that should load those textures fine. Yeah. Okay. Now I just need an item for the damage. I'm not gonna use the ham. I should put that 100. That would be funny. I should probably add region also to the. Wait, let's see if it gets the pickaxe item. Boom. Yeah. Fire. Now just an item for the damage. What are you working on right now? Hello. Oh wait, you have one of this TD Pekka. Pekka. Sorry, I have a friend who's called Pekka, and I kind of associated you with him for some reason. Right now, I'm trying to do the item models for the items that don't yet have a model, which is the damage item, which is the only one that is left. It's just a ham, and it looks like a pickaxe. right now. So yeah, wait, let me go into player controller here. I can show real quick. Probably it's easier or faster. When pressing K, spawn that. If I just do that and we do, why can I not do equals info world spawn? We're gonna spawn a find equal to item, which will be the damage item. Do I need to provide any other information? Yeah, I do. I'm gonna give transform is, well, good to give it the transform of the player. And I don't think anything else. Everything else will be fine by itself. Like so. And so now if I press K, we should spawn in a... Yeah, so now I'm just stacking up damage items. So my damage is going up like crazy. I deal 52 damage now per hit. But 42 of those pickaxes, which are not supposed... I don't know what to make out of the damage item. Gun! Let's make a gun. Let's make the gun. I don't know. I'm not very creative, alright? We're gonna go and open recent. Actually, we're gonna make a new general. Don't say. Boom, this is gonna be the gun, right? So, scale it down on all of the axes. Wait, like so. How does a gun look like? That's a gun now, right? And then we'll move it up. Nah, it won't move it up. Yeah, that's pretty good. That's a gun, guys. Let's go wireframe and edit mode. And I want to do this. I want to move it up there. Boom. Yeah. That's a gun. There. Boom. Gun. Should I do a little bit of fancy into this? Boom. I don't know if I'm doing the right thing. No, wait, fuck. I wanted to do a... Yes, that. Yeah, that's what I wanted to do. Then that, and we do a insert, extrude. Yeah, gun, guys. That's a gun. Do that. Yeah. Is it? No. Copy. Nah. Shift B. What the fuck is this? How do you bevel? Control B, shift space bar. Control B. That's crazy. I don't know if that's actually what I want. Oh god. Sure, that's fire. You can barely see that. But that's it. That's our gun now. That's a gun. Items. Let's on it. Gone. Save that, and yeah, let's just export it. So we can go. I'll export once over here as usual, just in case I do something stupid, which I'm pretty good at doing. We're gonna close it once over here, so I can change the file. Go back to client, assets, objects, and we're gonna save gun. Boom. Then we can go back into here, go to models, and we can go in here where there's a damage item. Well, it's a damage item, but it's a gun GLB, so I guess it's fine. And now I need to also make the damn thingy, but at least it's like it's fine, it's there. I feel like I shouldn't spawn directly on myself because now it's yeah. Let's spawn it an offset. I don't have a simple function for doing an offset. Nah, I would have to get the normal vector of the player from the planet, and then I would have to move, scale it. Could I just like find a gun somewhere? A gun, a gun, gun. There's no guns here. What the fuck? Right, because I need to go to a new stage if I want that. I probably picked all of them up. Okay. Okay, boom. Gun. There it is. Look at the 6 gun, boys. That's fire. That's fire. It's okay. Let's see. I think we'll probably make it. We'll go here. Now I got this. I got this, guys. Look. I'm gonna select all of that, and no. I'm pretty sure it should be in here, and then unwrap. Am I dumb? Ah, shit. Fuck. Oh wait. Don't need that. Don't need that. Oh, whatever, it's there. It's good. It's good. It's good. It's good. So we can do this now. We can go here. We can do that. And okay. And then new image. Okay. And I will make the whole gun. I think black is a pretty good, decent color. Feel it. And apparently I'm not feeling it. Why? So I got this. What if I just change the boom? Yeah. How about that? Now it's black. Let's do that. So then we'll do this thing, bake all 16. Okay. And this thing? I think it was that thing. And then remove that. So, and then we export that, and it should update in here. If I did it right. I did it right. I know I did it right. Boom. That may be a bit too black. Yeah, it's a bit too black. I can't shit now. Okay, let's take it back. Let's make it white, and maybe just a little bit of hint of maybe black, not complete black. That's better. But now I need to do the same thing all over again. Oh! I don't even remember what it was. It was probably like this, and then it was something like that, and then it was that one. Let's see. I don't know. The white one was almost better. I don't know. It's so. Well, I guess it's because of the shading, probably. And it doesn't need to be that huge. You could probably scale it down by like 0.5. Does the mesh also hot load? Oh yeah, it does. Because I used to string hashes for the meshes by name, but now I changed them to pure IDs. So the old mesh actually exists somewhere in memory. I think it should. But yeah, I think that's okay. We can deal with this. It's fine for now. Until I find that that's actually a bigger problem. Probably should do the same for the pickaxe. Pickaxe, save that, and scale it by 0.5. Save that, export it. Do I still call it pickaxe 2? Did I change it? I hope I did. Of course I didn't. It's called pickaxe 2 still. Oh my god, that's okay. That's fire, that's fire. I would just need to do the we're gonna go in here, we're gonna recent, and we're gonna go present items, and I'm gonna load in gun, and we're gonna disable pickaxe, and let's just see, can I get a like a wait, let me do this. Rotate along the Y, and then we'll rotate. Scale it. No, rotate. Rotate along its set. Digging something like that. Yeah, that's it. Now that's a freaking awesome gun. I'm just saying. I need to start Affinity again. I post it. If you can't tell that's a gun, I don't know what to tell you, bro. That's a gun. With my artistic skills, that's a pretty deadly gun. Let's go here, image, copy that, move it away, take this one in here, and we'll paste it on top over there, somewhere. Why is it not being pasted? Did I not copy it? I did not copy it. Let's go back here, copy, paste. Ah, that's weird. Scale it, put it there. Disable that thing. Nah, that's fire. Holy shit. A little bit of an outline, yeah. And let's export that. Where's the export button? There it is. I lost it. Alright. So it should hot reload also, that thing. If, yeah, it should. Favorites, textures, it's called the damage, but it's better. Boom. We got it. We got a
Pistol.
Christoph? Or pistol?
Pistol.
Yeah, so now we got an item for every single item. No, fuck.
Do we now?
No, that one loaded up for some reason. Why did it load? Why did the pickaxe load the
I don't know.
the damage? Oh yeah, because I got it in the UI. I forgot about it. Because the
You
UI...
know what is something that is really annoying?
Tell me.
That there is absolutely zero modularity in this code base.
There is full modularity for things that you can change.
Okay, so if I want to just quickly add an item, I have to go in like how many files? Like 5?
No, just model and just add it.
Just model.
Yeah.
That's the only place if I want to add a new item.
Yeah.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
No other place.
Well, you still need to create an item also for it. Model is just
Exactly.
But that makes sense. If you want to create a model, if you want to create an item, you need also a way to represent it. It's not like it's gonna AI generate a model for you when you add a model or item. You need to still provide.
What?
It's like in any engine. If you create an item, you still need to create the model for the actual item as well. It's like in any engine.
Yes, I know. But hear me out. I'm gonna send you a little code snippet here because that's what I do. You know, I actually get paid by the CIA for every single code snippet, so yeah.
Uh-huh. What the fuck? You just called pickaxe? So what did I call it? Yeah, I called it pickaxe. There, now it's right.
Bam, you see this here?
Wait.
What I sent? Do you have like an array of like all the items somewhere or?
It's yeah, in the shared.
In shared, you have a list, right?
Yeah, so I got inventory here. I got all of the items.
Okay, great. you know, in model, if you go there real quick.
Mhm. Oh, that's...
Like, first of all, it's in the renderer, which is real shit. But anyways, we're gonna ignore that for now. Right?
What? Error, okay.
It's in the renderer, bro.
Yeah.
But,
because
okay, it's
that's-
fine. But we just look at this for a moment here.
Mhm.
You see, where is the items?
The items are up here. So you get them from here. So item is just a generic kind of like kind, which I use,
Mhm.
so I can then do this thing.
Where are you like loading the textures or models or whatever for it?
Do you mean the icons?
Yeah, I mean also that.
Yeah, that's so. This is for the model representation of this thing, right?
Mhm.
Just quickly. And then for the UI stuff, it's over here where I provide this information where it should take that from.
Path.
And that gets loaded from render resources. So when I initialize the UI with the texture atlas and other textures for that, it's in where's my resources there.
So to make an item, I technically have to go into shared whatever thing that was called, model and UI.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a lot of places to add an item.
What? Yeah, it is.
Yeah. So there's really no better way.
Well, it's kind of it's just how it's kind of evolved for me with the thingy.
Yeah, well, you're de-evolving, all right. But what you could do instead is, well, I guess make a function on the item that returns the model path and all of that stuff, you know.
So in the shared you would store.
Oh, I know. Yo, bro. There you can have like comp time fields. So fields that are only available at comp time,
Mm-hmm.
right?
Yeah.
But they added a thing lately, which makes so that values
Wait,
that you use.
before you explain, because I'm not using nightly. I'm using the latest 0.6.
Yeah, but 16 is that
Okay.
thing. Yeah, but basically, comp time values, if you do use them at runtime, they still exist, right?
Mhm.
So you could do, let's see here, model path. Okay, look at this. What I sent here. I think it's like that. I'm not sure. I never used this,
Nah, I haven't used that either.
but I'm pretty sure they do exist.
Yeah.
And you can do this, right? And then whenever you want to access the thing, you can use do the item dot like model path plus or like the root plus. whatever.
Yeah. No, that was for the texture. I could probably apply it for models as well.
Yeah, textures and models.
Yeah.
Because it's really way better if I only have to be in one place to add items, and then automatically it's good, you know.
Yeah, it is. It's just it's. I'm not trying to make it generic or optimized where I can actually see, because it's also a little bit weird how it would work with other kind of things like enemies or player portal bullet and so on, because they are also I do provide like an offset for, like, I have this creation spec here where I provide offset where the model should be rendered from that place, then the path where it's from skinned is for animation. This probably could be done better, and these are all related to animations, sort of, with or skin stuff.
Yeah, sure, but you know, it's all good because if that is just in the item, you know, right now you have the item as an enum.
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah. But would it not be better with an enum map?
That's what I do for the models.
Yeah, exactly. So what if it was just for the item, right? And then you can use that in the models, and you also have it in the textures. It's just one in a map, right? So you have the item, which is like, I don't know, pickaxe, right? And that points to the like a structure called item, right? Which has the
I think
information.
there's also a little bit because wait, before that, these are also there's a little bit of weirdness also with this because this is also like kind of figuring out how to do. I did this with the stats at the same time, so they are also called like health, even though it's actually the oxygen tank. HP,
Yeah.
short for HP, and that's the oxygen tank. But then I have the like this because this shared is also used on the server, which then this is also something I took from you with the get attributes, that get attribute values that one could provide multiple values.
Yeah, exactly. But like this could be way better. You know, it's less spread out, and
Yeah,
I mean, it's really easy
I
to
do
just
agree
like
because
get.
then you could just iterate the enum or the hash
Yeah,
map of it.
exactly.
And
In
then
the
you
in the
could just-
model,
Yeah, and then you could get
like the result is the same. It's just you know
yeah
less
because you
stuff.
could store the path to both the where the texture is or where the texture name is and then what the object name is, and you would have it centralized there, and then the other you would also get you wouldn't even like it would just work with the I think it should work. It's just the naming convention is really weird because for right now how I do this is that you still have to specify that you have the items here or kind of the item, right?
Yeah.
And then in model I do this, but I guess it would complain when you try to compile that you haven't specified which item maps to what model here.
Well, you could just fix that with comp time really easily because it's the same name.
That's the thing, that it's not always the same. It shouldn't be.
Yeah, I mean,
It is the same right now.
Yeah, right now, but in the future, I don't know. Because we don't want items to be called like health, right? We want like Lucas sword or something.
They were literally just called health item or item health before because I didn't have this thing. But then I was like, it's so annoying to type this out. It's so much easier to just check enemy kind is enemy rather than checking is it deployed and wizard. And if it's an item, I have to check was it a health item, was it speed item, was it damage item, attack speed item, instead of just checking if it's item.
Yeah.
So I added this thing, but it also made it a bit harder now because I can't put a single array like this, or I do this, but then I have to do this. But I guess I don't know how we would do it with compile time.
Actually, we maybe not even need an enum map because I'm gonna share my screen here. You can just look for a second.
Can I put you on the stream?
Yeah, it's fine. Yeah. So we have like health and damage and all this stuff, right? What you could do is somewhere just have an array of items, you know? Const item.
Yeah.
Yeah, and you see, like, you might still want to have like an enum or something for this, or I don't know. I mean, you probably still want a name, right? But that can be like comp time anyways, or let's see, yeah, default as well.
I tried to use enum for it because it's you know, you get the type safety LSP and whatnot. Rather than if you I tried to get rid of using the strings. Because of this.
That's true. That is true. Enum literal. Ta-da!
Yeah.
And then hello 2. Health 90. And bam, we have now one item. Right, and of course you would have like other data like models and like animations, like the item would have probably a lot of stuff, right? And then we just compile this, see if this works. It does not, let's see. Okay. I'm not really exactly sure.
It
how
doesn't
this
match
works.
the
I
default
just-
value field.
Okay, this works, I guess.
Okay.
Yeah. Actually, if we just go into temporary real quick, touch.
Oh,
Main
he's touching
Zig.
Zig.
I'm touching you.
Oh.
What? When you go here, temp, sig build, run, main. We need STD. I just want to like iterate quickly over this and just see, because then this would be a lot nicer. Can I not? Oh right, it's build exe run. Oh, no, I'm just stupid. I'm stupid. I forgot how this works. Okay, it does nothing exactly. So what we want to do now is print all the names of the items, right? So in line 4, items, item, because they are comp time known, which is really good. And then name, we do std log info, just t, we can also do like damage, health, item, health, item, damage. Okay. Yeah, there you go. We have hello, and then if we have, I don't know, oxygen tank. Ta-da! Hello, oxygen tank.
Yeah.
Isn't that great?
Yeah, I mean, it would actually be. I was thinking. The only thing that is a bit annoying with this is that would item have to be? It's kind of like because the for naming or enum and then for information like stats, you know, it's fine. But providing the path is a bit weird because then the server would also have access to the path of the model.
Yeah, I see what you mean.
Which wouldn't maybe be too crazy if you consider the loading it as a GLTF on the server just to get the bound, so you could create a mesh collider that is huge enough to contain.
Yeah, I'm thinking about that too, but it's also like I think what you're doing right now with the colliders is just better, to be honest.
Yeah.
And I don't think this is needed for item, but I guess what you could do is have a separate thing for this, maybe. Could we have an enum map, maybe like item model paths? I have no idea what I'm doing. So, yeah. Snake case. I don't have an enum array is what we want, right? Alright, what are you using for the spec thing?
The spec
That
thing.
is enum map.
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
because it's let me show. Just do a switch on all of the kinds like this.
But you have like didn't you have like an enum map of spec? I think it's a bit maybe down.
I do for the you can do a STD enum map
Hmm.
But
I honestly just don't know exactly
I do it
how
for
that
the
works.
what? Sorry.
I just don't know. I don't remember exactly how that works.
No, it's I
But-
think it's a really good way. I
Oh,
use it for.
You pass in an enum, right?
Wait, if I go to resources, I think I'm pretty sure I use it there. Where's the resources? There. Here, I should be using enum array
Enum array.
in map.
Okay.
Where you provide the enum, and then you have basically what it maps to.
Right. Yeah. Okay, because we can use that also,
Yeah.
and we're gonna do some compile time stuff. So I guess here we have enum, and now we need to construct an enum from the array of items.
What? Okay.
Yeah, we're gonna construct an enum from this. Okay.
Okay.
So what we do is we look first what enum needs. It wants field names, field values. Okay. Let's see. Tag integer. I guess the tag can just be like I don't know. U16 is pretty good. I guess.
Yeah, it's enough.
It is exhaustive. Right. Now we want our field names. This here is var, I guess. Let's see. We can put this to be. Well, it does kind of. I'm just gonna keep it as block for now. It's been some time since I did comp time, but
Yeah.
hey, it's fine. We can here do in items len. Yeah. And then because it really likes to have it as mutable, maybe as constant, but maybe it's fine. 4 items.
Wait, you're creating an enum
Yeah.
with field names of all of the enums.
Mm-hmm.
Why? Well, why?
Because we need it for the enum array down here.
Okay, but I can't. Okay. Okay. We'll see.
Right. Now we need. I guess. Okay, bam.
Mm-hmm.
Now we have the field names, field values. Okay. I'm not exactly sure if I can do it like this, but we can hope. We can hope. We can. Do you like what you see?
No, not really.
What?
I'm trying to
No?
still just piece it together because I'm feeling like I'm just making a wrapper enum, or what are you trying to do? Really, it feels weird. Why not just do that?
Yeah, that's fine. What?
Wait, so you're making an enum out of the struct? But you have
You're gonna see.
you
you're
have
gonna see, I
enum
swear.
literal for the name already, so that's the thing that makes this super confusing for me. But
Yeah, well, enum literally is kind of just like a comp time string anyways, so. But let's see. Field values, boom, boom. Okay, before we do anything with this, we are just going to history log info. We're just gonna have any, and then we're gonna have type info, and then it is item enum, and that is an enum, of course. Boom. Let's see if this runs. It doesn't. Let's see. Local variable is okay. I see how it is. Items len. Yeah, comtime doesn't really like pointers very much.
It's like
Which
my
is-
C style shit.
Yeah, it prefers that.
Yeah.
I'm not really sure why, but like I guess it doesn't really, but because I want to have this as var because I don't want to have more blocks, you know.
Yeah.
We can actually just do items. Okay, let's see if this works. Still not. No field named. Oh, right. That's. We'll just remove this for now because I'm too lazy. Right. Value of type enum field must be content known. Okay, can we just have fields? Okay, we're just gonna inline for field. Okay, field name and field value. Boom. S equals D. Yes. Okay, this. Yes, exactly. We can comment out this for now. Boom. Okay, tada! Here you go. This is our enum.
Yeah.
Okay, so do you want me to explain what this does? Because I guess you want to learn comp time.
Like did you just convert the struct information in the enum literal to an actual enum?
Well, what I did basically is I looped over this array.
Yeah.
And then I see like, oh, here the first one is called hello2. So we're gonna add a field called hello2. And then, oh, here's oxygen tank. So we're gonna add a field called oxygen tank.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's all it does, really.
Yeah.
Yeah, but anyways, this was for this. So if we do item enum, please, yes. Boom. This bit wrong here. I guess there will be more information, so we can have here model. I'm not sure how you do it. You probably have some better thing.
Yeah, just put something to illustrate. It's fine. But
Yeah,
don't think-
exactly. Init. Right. Boom. This is how you do it, or no, it's probably hello2. That's it. And then we want this here, get key. The key is of course hello2.
I think the only reason why it's a little bit complicated is with still a model of which it's using. Well, it's not using it anymore. It used to use the kind of the entity that for the array or enum
Yeah.
array. But then I did that thing for the enemy where you could do enemy or the kind is enemy, and then you can still specify which enemy it is. So that fucked it up. But I think if one went from the, if I just went.
Yeah, but you want to spawn in like items on the planet, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. I think that should be kind of like its own entity, you know, like item drop, you know, and then in there, you know, it's a kind, and that just is an index, you know, to the item array.
I think you did the other way around. Like I still need to think like how should I?
But yeah, you can see this works now. So I
Yeah.
put in hello2 here,
Yeah.
and what we get? Hello.glb.
Yeah. In general, I do agree, like something like this would be better just so you could have centralized place where you provide all of the things for a.
Yeah.
Yeah.
One thing also, I get that this isn't like shared per se
Yeah.
between the server, but it would be still nice if it was just like in an item, like next to this anyways, you know, just to be.
I mean, I guess it
close
could
by.
still be in shared. Would be too crazy.
Yeah, no, it's pretty small anyways, and it's just nice, you know, because you don't have to go touch everywhere else, whatever.
Yeah, that's so true.
I wonder though if I add oxygen tank too, will it crash out? Yes, it will. So this also has the effect that I basically have to specify a model for them. I can't just ignore it, you know.
Yeah.
And you can of course add more fields, and you can do the same for textures. We have the item enum, so yeah, you can do the exact same, you know.
Yeah.
Item, textures. Yeah, texture, yeah, exactly. And then textures, you know, it's whatever. Ta-da! I don't even think it's very hard to like put this in yes, because I mean it kind of already fits in, you know.
In yes.
Did I say yes? I mean planetary sigma. I'm dumb.
In PA.
I misspoke.
I mean,
yes.
For an not, I think it would also be pretty good. Can you send me, or do you wanna? Do you wanna make a PR on it?
No.
No.
No, I do not. The thing is, I really do not know exactly how the item stuff works.
But
if I would probably have made a PR, yes.
It's not that it's models UI, and then the shared. That's pretty much it.
Yeah, about the UI, like what is it exactly that you're doing in there? Is that the texture stuff? Yeah.
Yeah. So the UI, it does have this texture where it provides blank, and then the font atlas, and then for there's also a cross here, and then I have like the damage or the items. So they are like yeah.
To be honest, I don't know. I would probably just, if we were to do it this, I would probably just hard code the blank and font atlas into just some like constant somewhere, and then you know the rest can be comp time. Or you can like kind of merge. You can merge enums into one enum also if you wanted.
That would actually be the best. I'm still thinking like how. It's also I'm thinking sometimes about just how engines does it. You know, you can just drag in assets somewhere and then you can just reference them when you need them, but they probably store them in a very convenient way as well.
Assets.
Yeah. Which I'm thinking.
Asset server.
Yeah, that's. I'm not really sure how to do. The best I got is the asset server that I got right now, which is just meant for hot reloading.
Well, I mean, yeah, but why not just take the textures from there, you know? It's gonna load everything anyways that is in there, so...
Yeah, I just use it for it doesn't really store anything except for the watcher. to check that that file is if it gets changed.
But the asset server does also load stuff though.
Well, it gets a function pointer to the thing. So, for example, shaders.
I know. I made it.
So I do have the load here, which is an init that it will basically. Well, how bad have I actually made this thing? But yeah, it is.
No, that's hurt. That's hurt.
No, it makes sense.
Okay. Yeah, it actually does, but it's such a convoluted way, bro. But okay.
No, but yeah, this is basically the thing that it gets a callback to this function. That's why I have the IO in the file, because that's just the signature.
Guys, can we have like a little effect to like go back in time to when I made this? Not the actual shader, but the system for it. And here we are.
It's always slowly improving as I see where things are really bad and where things are really good. I just go slightly and make
items are really bad.
Yeah, I agree. But I think we will end it still here. I'm gonna hit the bait.
Yeah, items is for tomorrow. But guys, we will make the items good.
There are
we will make the items good again.
Happy with that. All right, that is it. Good night, everybody. Bye bye. Take care.
Good night. Good night.
Adrian.
I'm redeeming the card. How many are there? There's not enough to do a raid. There's just Penguin Operator on Twitch.
Bruh.
Let's raid. Okay, I will raid.
You should raid the Prime again. Is he live?
With one
Can you even do that with like one viewer?
Yeah, you can.
You can. Yeah, I think he'll really appreciate it.